Hi, this is Jackie with WTI, and there's a reason that like the smell that you smell in every holistic natural store is patchouli oil because it is so good. Patchouli oil has a woodsy, sweet, almost spicy aroma, and it's good for uplifting your spirits, for helping you to feel calm. It's good for your skin, for your hair. So just about anything you want to do with, you can use patchouli oil for. It helps to deodorize things. Even in natural deodorant, you can use patchouli oil and it helps with that. It even keeps bugs away. Like citronella is an oil that naturally, like everyone knows citronella, candles and things like that, but patchouli also helps with that. So you can put patchouli in a spray bottle with some witch hazel and citronella and spray it on if you're out camping or whatever. Keeps the bugs away. So versatile, this essential oil in perfume blends, in diffusers, for your skin, for your hair, for anything. I highly recommend patchouli oil, but that's my point of view.